When you are in your reading companion book, pages 6 and 7 will look like this, and it's all working on your vocabulary in an expository text. If you click on these speakers or microphones, it will read this part to you. If we are looking at the word alter, the storm will alter the park if many trees fall. To alter means you're going to change it or make it different. So what kinds of storms have you seen alter things in your state? If you double click on that line, you are able to type in your sentence, which would start with a capital letter and end with a period. Remember, we want to try to repeat part of the questions. So I would start storms that I have seen alter things in Michigan are, and maybe you're talking about like a flood or a snowstorm. And when you're done, you click add, and it's already there. The word collapse. Floodwaters cause the bridge to collapse. Collapse means to fall down or cave in. Maybe you've made a tower of Legos and you crash it. What would cause a tent to collapse? Here we have the word crisis. That's a difficult or a dangerous situation. Have you heard of any? Maybe you've been in one. I want you to write a complete sentence after you have gone through and heard all of these, and then make sure you turn this in. It is an assignment.